The client receives and saves in a folder the DCF files of the offers sent by the competitors. And starts the guided creation of the comparison to identify the most economically advantageous offer. Inserts the offer identification code and, having chosen the folder in which it has been saved, displays all the offers available. Those relating to the job in question appear in bold, while those relating to other jobs are shown in gray. The client selects the documents to be compared, and starts the comparison by entering the password generated when the offer was created. The comparison window has 4 views. In the first we find the total amounts offered by each competitor, expressed both numerically and graphically. At any time you can consult the offers by opening them in read-only with a double click. The unit rate view shows, for each item, the final price offered by each competitor and the relative percentage change. The item's amount or quantity view, on the other hand, shows the amount offered for each list item in relation to the quantity to be made. And also allows you to highlight any changes to the planned quantities or the addition of new items by competitors. The last view, finally, presents the total amounts offered divided into the types of work as measured, works, lump sum, etc. For each view it is possible to print detailed reports and graphs of various kinds.